It's summertime, which means it's time to play. And getting out on the water is a great way to spend the day. With SereneLife stand-up paddleboards, portable and inflatable, the SereneLife SUP comes with everything you need to pump it up and go. Using the included manual air pump for inflatability, easily screw on or remove your fin for maneuverability, speed, and stability. Strap on your safety leash to secure the board to you, and you're ready to embark on your SUP adventure with adjustable paddle in hand. The best part? It doesn't weigh 30 to 40 pounds like other boards. These lightweight SUPs can easily be carried. Enjoy the ease of the SereneLife paddleboard with a soft, stable, anti-slip top deck. It's perfect for beginners, extra wide for better balancing, and stabilizing on top of our SUP board is a breeze. This board is preferred by those with a readiness for adventure, but is also great for exercise or relaxing and meditation. And measuring in at 10 feet long and 32 inches wide, this SereneLife all-in-one blow-up paddleboard kit is complete with premium accessories and can easily be stored in your car, so you'll be ready to hit the waves whenever you're feeling the urge. SereneLife. Order yours today on Amazon.
Hey, I'm John, and today I'm going to show you how durable the Atoll paddleboards are. These boards can crush any obstacle. Don't believe me? Check out how strong these boards actually are. Whether you are paddling in frigid Alaskan waters, enjoying a relaxing day at the lake, hanging with the family, fly fishing, or even doing paddleboard yoga, with the Atoll inflatable stand-up paddleboard, you choose your own adventure. This board comes standard with everything you need to get you on the water ASAP. Atoll Boards offers it all. Pack in, pump up, and paddle out.